You've got $100 and you're ready to invest? Amazing! You're officially richer than 64% of Americans who have nothing saved for retirement. But don't worry, I'm here to help you turn that $100 into, well, maybe not millions, but at least something more than a sad $100 bill collecting dust in your wallet. Let's get into it. Now I know what some of you are thinking. $100? That's nothing. You can't invest with that. And to that I say, oh really? But you had no problem dropping $100 on Uber Eats last weekend, huh? Wild. Good news! You don't need to be a Wall Street billionaire to own stock. With fractional shares, you can own a piece of Apple, Tesla, or Amazon for less than the price of a fancy brunch. That way, when your favorite company gets richer, so do you, kind of. If choosing stocks sounds as stressful as picking a Netflix show, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are your best friend. They let you invest in hundreds of companies at once. It's like buying a financial smoothie instead of one fruit at a time. Sure, it's not the sexiest investment, but hey, why let your money sit in a basic savings account earning 0.000001% interest when you could get 4%? That's literally free money, and we like free money. Now, I'm not saying YOLO your entire $100 into meme coins, but if you're interested in crypto, you can start small with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Just don't go selling your car to buy Dogecoin because it's going to the moon. Government bonds are like lending money to a responsible friend. Unlike Chad, who still owes you $20 from 2017, you buy a bond and the government pays you interest. No drama involved. Want to be a real estate mogul but can't afford an actual house? Enter REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. They let you invest in real estate without dealing with tenants, broken toilets, or Karen from HOA. A Roth IRA is like a magic money-growing box that lets you invest tax-free for retirement. And guess what? You can start one with just $100. So while your friends are spending their cash on overpriced drinks, you'll be quietly securing your financial future. Flex on them later. Ever wanted to lend money to strangers on the internet and get paid back with interest? Platforms like Lending Club let you do that. Just make sure you're not funding someone's bad life decisions. Gold and silver have been valuable for forever. While I'm not saying go full pirate mode, owning a little precious metal is a solid hedge against inflation. Plus, if the apocalypse happens, you can trade it for food. Invest in yourself. Take that $100 and start a side hustle. Flip thrift store finds, launch a blog, or sell digital products. Who knows, your little investment might turn into a money-making machine. See, you don't need to be rich to start investing. It's not about how much you start with, it's about building smart money habits. So take that $100, make a move, and stop making excuses. Hit that like button if you're ready to invest, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom and sarcastic life advice. See you next time.